Well, hey there, folks. Kent Otott here on the front yard of Concordia Chevy. We just swiped one of our Beloit GMC trucks to have over here on the lot so we could at least have a half-ton pickup. And tell you what, they sent over one of my favorite designs. It is a 2022 GMC Sierra half-ton with the 3-liter inline 6 diesel motor. So we're talking about a truck that, you know, if you don't drive it hard, you're going to get 30 to 32 miles to the gallon out on the highway. If you run at 80 miles an hour, I'm going to say probably about 28 miles to the gallon. So I don't have a lot of experience. I've sold a couple of these with that diesel. The turbo, it is one very nice truck. And this one here, well equipped, leather, all-weather floor liners, sitting around here, nice armrest so you can put a lot of stuff in there, built-in navigation. Let's look at some of these things before we hop outside. My glasses, of course, sitting down there. Wireless charging capabilities, nice big old touch screen. Let's look at the backup camera. So there you go, push another little button, you can get that trailer hitch just lined up perfect. You know, all those things just kind of come together there. Push the home button, you can see everything else that you have. Navigation built in. Give it a second, there it goes, there we are. It's even pointed in the right direction. Hit the home button again. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. I have it set on my favorite Sirius XM channel. The message, heated steering wheel, heated seats, and they're ventilated or cooled seats. You know, of course, today it's kind of chilly outside. It's still got the jacket on dual zone climate control. We will go ahead and just turn that down for the video. 4-wheel drive, you got 4 high, 4 low, 2 high, and of course auto. You got your trailer towing mode, parking brake, Bose sound system in here, all your little controls there. I don't know, I'm grateful that Ruby shared this with us. You can slide open the little back window. Let's get it around here. Hello again, how y'all doing? But yes, you can open that back window, hit that slide, there it goes. See it, ladies and gentlemen. It says Beloit GMC. Good store over there, good people. We want to thank them for sharing this truck with us. Let's hop out and do a little walk around. We got running boards that have been installed. Get my behind out. This is the metallic gray. I'm not for sure what GMC calls it. We hopped out. I still had the key fob in my pocket, so it gave us a little beep. It's going to need a bath, but you buy it, we'll give it a bath. We'll top it off with fuel. Just a pretty, there's that Duramax turbo diesel GMC Sierra. It is the X31 off-road. So if you're thinking, Kent, I want a Z71 off-road, the X31, that gets you there. Now this has that fancy tailgate, so this pops down like that. Now I'm a little bit crippled up. There's this other one, the whole thing pops down. You can turn it into a step. There's the fat man handle. I call it that because I use it, okay? Don't want anybody to get upset. 110 outlet there. 2022, 35,500 miles on this truck. Tires look great. Let's open up the back door. Take a little peek. Sorry for the close-up again. Look at this back here. You got your climate control, you got some extra little things, you have hidey holes back here in the back seat. Rats, nobody left thousands upon thousands of dollars in it. Just a gorgeous truck. And if I was going to shell out the money for a pick-em-up truck, I would take a serious look at this Duramax turbo diesel. Very nice, reliable motor. As with everything, we live in a fallen world, things do break at times, but let me tell you, you can hear it running. See, I shut up for a moment. You can hear the truck, it just idles quietly. It's not like my Suburban diesel that I have at home. So what you need to do, folks, come by and see me here at Concordia Chevy. We're going to have this truck, we're going to show it off a little bit here in town. Maybe park it down at the corner some days. give me a shout. 785-243-4380 is our number here at the store. Or better yet, you can call and reach me on my cell phone, 785-243-8656. Ask about this 2022 GM Sierra 1500 X31 four-wheel drive turbo diesel pickup truck. Take care as always. Have a great day.